About a year ago, in fact, is when we went on with you guys. To increase by a third. Well, we've done that. I think it's up about probably between 34 and 35%. And at the rate that we're running the last 5 months, if we had done that for the whole year, it would have been up closer to 50%. So all in all, we're very, very happy with the results that we've had. I wish we'd have seen you guys and done something with you 2 or 3 years ago. I can only imagine where we'd be right now.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Goddard. I'm a marketing performance coach and CEO at IMS. You know, even successful lawyers may be leaving money on the table with marketing strategies that miss big parts of the market, that force them to work too hard or spend too much to get a new client. And when they do generate leads, it's all the wrong people. But when I ask my clients how it feels to get that extra 20, 40, or even 60% in revenue, they often tell me that their biggest regret is the years that they spent missing out on revenue that they could have and should have had. How are they doing it? Well, you already know the importance of systems in your law firm. But what about in your marketing? Our clients get great results because they use a great system that's matched with the marketing strategy that's right for them. Lawyers today face an ever-changing landscape of marketing. With the rise of search engines and social media, it's more important than ever to stay up to date with your marketing. But many lawyers are stuck in a rut, relying on traditional methods that just don't cut it anymore. What they don't know is that there are countless strategies out there to generate more business without having to put in extra hours. From SEO optimization to social media marketing, today's lawyers need to take advantage of the right tools at the right time. Let's talk about just one example, search engine optimization. By optimizing your website for search engine results, you increase your visibility and draw in more potential clients. But what if your website is already optimized and pulling in plenty of organic traffic? Just throwing more effort into SEO won't get you anywhere. That's where we come in. We help lawyers who want to stop leaving money on the table and grow their practice by 30, 40, even 60% and more by reaching the right clients with the right message at the right time and without working harder, hiring more staff, or spending money on useless marketing that you just don't need. With the right marketing strategies and a great system to easily implement, track, and optimize, you don't have to work harder for that 20, 40, or 60% more. You just need to be smarter about your marketing. Watch my training. I'll show you exactly how our clients are getting massive gains. If you don't have time to watch now, go ahead and sign up. We'll email you the link and you can watch it at your convenience. But don't wait too long. The sooner you start, the sooner you stop leaving money on the table.